Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Easter Sunday. It is Easter once again. First Easter in this marriage. I'm enjoying every bit of it to the glory of God. Happy Sunday, guys. Christ has resurrected. Today we mark his resurrection, and we believe that every aspect of our life we are finding difficult, God will help us to resurrect from all of those aspects in Jesus' name. Guys, I hope you guys are living now loving. I love you guys. I'll miss you guys. And here I will upload the procession of Good Friday. So I think it should come before this clip or after. Anyhow, guys, let's enjoy this weekend. Let's enjoy these holidays. Let's enjoy this Easter festive period. I love you guys. Bye. See you.